This is Ryan. He makes footwear at Columbia Sportswear.
All right, we're off to see Ryan from Columbia, see what these Landroamer shoes are all about. Tell me a little bit about these new Landroamer shoes.
It's really for the overland traveler that's going to need a product for all the different scenarios they're going to come across in one of their adventures. It's the Explorer boot. It's made for getting off the beaten path. Got a radius heel and it's waterproof with nice tumbled leather and hardware. This is the Landroamer Scout. It's really for in and out of your rig. You want something that's really protective, and that's what the full grain leather is all about. It's easy to get on, it's easy to get off with these really cool pull tabs. This is our camper, and it's really meant for being around the campsite, just comfy around the campfire.
What's the inspiration for the line?
It's kind of like choose your own adventure, right? Which shoe works for you? This product really helps unlock the outdoors for everybody.
I'm excited to try these on the rest of our overland adventure up the Columbia River. Thanks for having us.
Thanks a lot.